Throw a little tarp up there till I can get it done, but I'm gonna have a problem right here because I didn't put any, see I got that board right there. I'm gonna try to put it up there so I won't actually tear up the tarp. But that's gonna put it a little bit difficult because I don't really wanna, no, not really. I probably had to cut a board. Shit. Alright. So yeah, that's what it is right now. Of course, it's not gonna stay like this or whatever. I'm gonna have to put some at least put some fencing up on the outside. And I would like to keep this open, but I'm gonna see because I would want some kind of fresh air to be able to flow through here. Some of that smell. I mean, there's plenty of fresh air. Look at all these spaces in these pallets. But yeah, that's what it is right now, man. It's looking pretty good to me. I like that. I ain't going for it. Yes, sir.